What's up, dude? And today's the day I say goodbye to this bike. You can tell I'm feeling a lot better. Still got the splint on, feeling great. It's healing great. A couple more days, get to take this thing off, get back on the bike. I'm stoked, but thought I'd do a goodbye video to this pipe in general. Today I have someone coming over to switch this out. He really wants this pipe. It obviously has the Bassani 50th anniversary. It's a limited edition pipe. They didn't make too many of them. It is a Road Rage 3, but as you can see, it sort of gets in the way of my bag. There's a little tiny gap of clearance right there. Not much though, but he is going to give me his Road Rage 3. It's a straight shot. He'll get down sort of by that bottom swing arm, which I'm excited about. I won't have to worry about the heat or anything destroying the bag. And but virtually it's the same pipe. I cleaned it up. I used some metal polish, shined it up a little bit for him. He's gonna come over today, help me switch them out. If he's cool with me filming the process and switching the pipes out, I am gonna do that for you guys. But I don't see it be a problem. So I think that'll be a cool how-to video and sort of the process of getting it on, getting it off. It's pretty easy. You just gotta really make sure the header pipes come off good and back on good. As far as that goes, it's just a couple bolts here and there. Obviously the bracket, I do have the Bun King passenger peg crash bar thing. That's gonna have to come out because it is actually attached. The bracket down here is actually attached underneath. I don't know if you can see that bolt in there. It's attached underneath the passenger peg, so that's gonna have to come off. But yeah, it should be easy. You have like 2 bolts in there, 2 bolts in there. Those both have to come out, and then you literally just switch the pipes out. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, I wanted to give it one last look before you guys get the cut of what the new pipe looks like on the bike. Virtually it's the same pipe, just without the upswing. I'm excited about it. For those of you who recently subscribed, thank you. We're getting up there. I've gone up, maybe 10 subscribers in the last day or two, which I'm happy about. It's growing. I think all that is coming from Instagram. I've been posting on my stories when there's a new video and all that. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, give me a follow on Instagram. It's the same username, no editor. That's sort of a more accurate way of seeing when I'm posting, what's going on, as far as group rides and all that. That's the best way to get a hold of me. So I will cut it and I will let you guys know when he gets here, and I can film the process of getting this bad boy off and the new one put on. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Peace. Alright guys, he's okay to be on camera, so I'm gonna film it in time lapse, and then I'll go over everything afterwards. Sort of a little bit of a process. Got to take his pipe off, mine off, and then switch them, put them back on the bikes. So I will do a time lapse and then I'll cut it back and let you know how everything went. Hopefully you guys can sort of see what we're doing and all that. Alright guys, here it is. Okay guys, so didn't go as smooth as I thought. I'll put the time lapse in the video for you guys. There's a lot of things I had to take off the bike to get to it, and the guy who helped me take it off, so obviously I can't really do much, but the guy who helped me take my pipe off the bike, everything was going smooth, we got both pipes off the bike, and he put my old one on his and ended up stripping a post, which hopefully it's just like a nut, not a post, but we'll see. My bike's fine. It was getting late, so I told him to go ahead and go home. Try to put it on myself. I can't really reach too far into anywhere with this thing on my hand, so I think I'm just gonna have a mechanic do it. It's got to go in the shop anyways. Here is the pipe that I got. It is, I mean, it looks good. It's clean. I started polishing it up a little bit. I like it. It's a clean looking pipe. It's pretty much the exact same pipe I had, just without the upswing. So yeah, it's no pipe is on the bike right now, but I have everything. I got the O2 sensors here, all the hardware, obviously the crash bar, the bracket, all that. It'll go back on the bike. But for the time being, I'm gonna let the mechanic do it, just because I feel like it's easier. He's got to do work anyways, and with my hand situation, can't do much. But I'll piece all this whole video up for you guys. I'll post it tonight. I hopefully got another install video coming tomorrow. It's going to be some levers. It's not on my bike. It's on a friend's bike. But super easy install. But yeah, all right guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. Sorry it didn't go as planned, but hey, nothing really does when it comes to bikes, right? So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Later, dude.